Hello everyone, welcome back to the 𝐭𝐨𝐬𝐭 YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to install R and RStudio. So let's jump into this video. So come to this your favorite browser and just search R cranes. Okay, and then come to the first one, the R Comprehensive Archive Network, and then you will come over here. You need to download for the Windows. So go for the third one, download R for the Windows. And then there are a lot of options are there. So since we are doing installing R, so you need to go with the base version. If you click on the base version and click on the first version, which is download R 4.5.2, which is the latest version, click on that, and then you'll see a download will be started. Now, once the download is completed, double click it to open it, and click on yes. Now you'll see this type of setup will be coming up. Now, what you need to do in this setup, click on OK and go to next. Let the default browser should be same. Click on next and don't uncheck any of this. Everything will be checked. Click on next. Default should be no, and the browser should be R. Next. Click on next, and then you'll see the R will be installed into your machine. Now R for Windows is done. Click on finish. Now come to the search bar, just write R 4.5 version 5.2. So double click it. So as you can see, the R script file you can see over here. Now you can open the R script file and you can save your R. Now what I need to do, I need to install the R Studio as well. So come to this new tab and just write R Studio and go to the first one, R Studio, and then scroll down and reject all. Click on download RStudio for desktop for Windows. Now you'll see the download will be started. Once the download is finished, double click it to open it and click on yes. Go to next, and it's going to install in your local machine. Now, once it's done, click on finish. Now your RStudio will be installed. Now let me close this one and just search in the bar RStudio. Open it. Now if you click over here, there will be two options. So click on the choose the specific version. Since we have already installed the R version, so click on choose a specific version of R and select this one. Click on OK, and it's opening the Canva, and there you go. Your R will be installed into your machine. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys install your RStudio, and I'll see you on the next video.